This is the masjid. We are going to the Islamic Center.
So study.
We're going to study. Today is Friday. We are embracing Islam 4 years ago. This is Islamic Center.
Bro, nandiyan yung bispring ko si papaya.
Video mo naman ako. Ako naglalakad ako.
Yeah, okay. You go inside. You go inside.
Okay.
Okay. This is the entrance of Islamic Center. This is Islamic Center of Bremen, District 12 of Bremen. So this is the entrance for Wajib of Riyadh. So you go inside for study about the Islam. So, Assalamualaikum. So, andito na tayo ngayon. At ilagay natin sa bro. Video tayo ngayon, bro. Oh, bro, kumusta, bro? Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi bro. Kumusta, bro? Ito lang. Marami tayo, bro.
Practice lang yan.
Ustad na Assalamualaikum. I'll continue to kunin lang. Ako naman.
Sige, video kita. Sige, bye-bye na.